What's new at Peernet? For all our PDF Creator Plus users, we now have how-to videos available to get you started combining, editing, merging, and converting any document you can open and print to TIFF, PDF, or JPEG. You can watch all of our PDF Creator Plus tutorials easily via our Peernet YouTube channel. We've also included these new how-to videos under the How-To Videos tab under PDF Creator Plus on our website, where the videos can be found under the corresponding topic, with a text and screenshot version below. If you've only ever used our PDF Creator Plus for a single type of conversion, these videos can show you the many other types of conversion you can do. Happy watching!